Hello, people of Facebook and YouTube.
We're cool. Natalie looks like an old woman.
I do. My face is twisted.
I'm nice and boring.
I look like a kitty.
So cute. You know what you look like? The Incredibles? You know that lady? Like
Edna?
yeah! You look like her. My sexy chin. Hold on. Hold on, look at.
That looks really creepy. I look like a weird man. Ew. Look at my. Hello, sir. Can I cup you?
Why, you most certainly can.
Can I cup your chin? Can I touch it? Whoa.
Look at my lips. You look so adorable.
Look at my little big head and my small face.
Yeah, fail. It like drags
Dude,
your eye.
you know how I look like that? Who you know who I look like from Ice Age? That little weird thing.
the sloth?
Yeah. He was hella funny.
I love him.
I love you guys. Let's make a shout out to people. Teresa, I love you. Yeah, you. I bet you're watching this right now because I love you. Dallas. Oh my god, what happened? We're all black. Oh my god, it came back. Oh my god. Oh yeah, Dallas. Love you, man.
Yeah.
My wolfie.
You probably won't end up watching this. So.
Because you're busy doing something.
Look at my booty too.
You're too busy. Oh
I'm
my god, look at my lips.
Chatting on online sites. Don't have the time to look at my awesome chin.
You don't have time to like visit your cat. Cause I'm his cat. Dude, look at my fucking lip.
I'm looking at your fucking lips.
I love you, Freddie. You're not even gonna watch this because you don't have Facebook.
So there's no point in shouting out to him.
But I still love you. He's my boyfriend. I'm taken. So, yeah, that's right. I'm taken.
Yeah.
Say something about us.
Yes, he's.
He can probably watch
you like
this.
You like that? Oh, yeah. you
like
find this sexy at night.
Like this sexiness.
I love you, babe.
Raina.
Love
you, Raina.
I can't do hearts like that.
Yeah. Oh, like that.
Remember when we saw the turtles, babe? Yeah, in that little tunnel we were alone.
Whoa! Whoa! Alone.
I'm gonna take out the trash at night. Laura! That reminds me of Laura.
Max, Laura. I love you, Laura. I love your Filipino love. Dude, look at our lips. Laura.
Oh yeah.
Look at your chubby cheeks. Speaking of chubby cheeks, Fabi. We love you, Fabielle.
Which Fabi?
Which Fabielle? She forgot about
I
you.
didn't forget about you, man. Just like
I remember.
I thought you were gonna say Fabian. Like,
who else?
Mary. I love you.
Marissa.
Remember all those nights with the strawberries?
Mary, I miss you. You should come to PV, okay?
You should love.
And Jasmine. Oh my god, Squirrel. I love you. Don't you ever lie to mama. You know you.
No boys.
No boys. Okay. Itzel, you take care of her if you're watching this, alright? If not, I'm gonna beat your ass. My face will look like this, okay? Our faces will look like this. Austin, happy
Austin,
birthday.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, now we dedicate this to Austin.
Austin,
This is
okay,
for you.
This is for
For
you and
you.
people that we shout out, bitches. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I know we
love
look
you.
beautiful right now.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Mhm.
We made this for you. Now
Now,
we did.
yeah.
Because I brought up your birthday, so happy birthday.
I called you at midnight, not 11:59.
Hey, a minute earlier. That's good. You know, that's good.
You know, that means I couldn't wait to tell you happy birthday.
Yeah, so happy birthday, Austin. You're
I
really
think we
old
should stop
now.
this. I don't think anybody's gonna watch
Okay,
this.
so shout out to all our friends, okay?
Bye.
That's
Sorry if we
okay.
forgot you. We love you still.
Yeah.
Wait, what did we forget?
Okay.
Okay.